innovative machine and vision, pursuing only the best optical inspection equipment technology. Now starts a greater flight for machine and vision. Machine and Vision has been leading the change in optical inspection equipment based on precision optics and software technology. Since its founding in 2013, it has grown by increasing the expertise of optical inspection equipment in display, semiconductor, and battery industries. During that time, we grew quickly by building differentiated technologies based on 2D inspection, 3D measurement, deep learning, and automation technologies. Machine and Vision, pioneering the field of optical inspection equipment with advanced technology. Based on the abundant know-how of Machine and Vision, we provide one-stop solutions by directly developing and supplying optical inspection equipment that reflects customer needs. In the display field, the technology of Machine and Vision is shown by supplying flat panel glass inspection equipment, OLED 2D 3D inspection equipment, OLED ELA inspection equipment, evaporation mask inspection equipment, OLED LLO inspection equipment, and QD OLED Mura inspection equipment. In the semiconductor field, wafer-level package 2D 3D inspection equipment and electrostatic chuck inspection equipment provide optimized technology for rapidly developing semiconductor manufacturing processes. In the battery field, 2D 3D technology optimized for visual inspection of pouch-type, square-shaped, and cylindrical batteries is applied to provide a differentiated solution unique to Machine and Vision. The power of unique precision optical technology and AI-based software technology is the driving force behind Machine and Vision's global competitiveness. An innovator who dreams of new innovations with a creative mind toward the world. Machine and Vision prepares for the upcoming future with bold R&D investments each year. Technology and know-how accumulated in display inspection equipment, high-speed and high-precision 2D 3D inspection technology, and AI deep learning inspection technology are opening the future of the next-generation smart factory industry. Machine and Vision has established itself as a trusted partner from customers by developing solutions to various problems occurring at manufacturing sites in the domestic and foreign high-tech industry. Machine and Vision is not satisfied. We are opening a new era of optical inspection equipment through continuous change and innovation.